Hey there, welcome to the club. In today's video, we'll be crafting a captivating cartoon illustration of the beloved character, Curious George. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two small circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're gonna start from the very top. We're gonna bring this all the way down towards the bottom of our circle, and then back up towards the top. Now you're gonna leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right side. So let's line up the top. We wanna bring that down towards the same height, and then pull that back up. Along the top of each eye, I'm going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. Just pulling that in towards the center of the eye. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now just above each eye, we're going to add a curve. So starting on the left, we're going to go up and then bring that down. This is for the top edge of the eyelid. And just line that up on the right side. Let's line up at the bottom of the eyes, move to the center, add a curve, going up and then down for the bridge of the nose. Let's add in the nostrils. Starting on the left, bend this in and then down. Go to the right, come in and then down. Now I'm going to move down and give our character a large smile. So we're going to start all the way over on the left side, bend this down in the middle, go across, and then pull that up. Now we want to add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's fold the cheeks around the corners of the mouth, starting over on the left side, go around, come down and in toward the center, go all the way across towards the right, go around the mouth, and then pull that back in. Now I'm going to work our way up towards the top of the head. Starting over on the left, go around the eye, go up, and then bend that in. Now I'm just going to do the same thing over on the right, pulling that up towards the same height. Now I want to dip the edge of the hairline in the center. So starting back on the left, come across, and then down in the middle. Just going to round this out, go up towards the right, and then round this out. Let's add a fold just underneath the cheeks. Starting on the left, go around, up, and then bend that in. Now I want to tuck the ears along the side of the head. From the top, we'll step down, go all the way around, come down, just tuck that in towards the side of the head. Let's add a fold along the top of the ear, going up and then bending that out. Now we're going to draw on the outside edge of the head. Let's start on top of the left ear. It's going to go out, go up, and then bend that in towards the middle. Now I'm going to add some hair brushed out towards the side. Go across, come down, and then bend that up. Let's pull this back in, come down, and then bend that in. Let's layer another point underneath. So starting here, bend this out, and then up. Pull this back in towards the side of the head, and we'll do that again. Starting down here, go out and up, come down and then in. Now to close off the right side of the head, I'm going to go out, come down, and then in on top of the ear. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Go over towards the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now from the hips, we're going to move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's add in that first toe. From the heel, curve this down and out. I'm going to round up the toe and then pull that in. Now we're going to layer 3 toes on either side. Let's start from the tip, bend this out and then down. Round up the toe, go up, and then bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by bending this down, round up the toe, go up and in. Let's add 2 more toes along the side, going out, up, and in. Now I'm going to do that one more time. Just going to pull this around, go up above the foot, and then bend that down. Let's add some fur across the ankle. Bend this up and out on the side, bend this in and then down towards the heels. Now I want to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Start by going out, round up the knee, and then just bend that in on top of the feet. Now I'm going to go back up to the side of the body and draw the inside edge of the arms. Let's start halfway between the chin and the hip. So start the arm here, bend this out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, come down towards the same height. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's wrap 3 fingers on either side. Start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket. Now along the side, add that second finger, going out, up and in. Add 1 more finger, we're going to blend this into the arm, and bend this up and in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Again, starting underneath that thumb, go around that bracket, add the second finger, and then blend the 3rd finger into the arm, going up and then in. Now I want to separate the hands from the arms with a fur texture. Let's start from the top of the thumb, bend this across and then down. Now we're going to add some points. Bend this up. Let's add 1 more point, going out and then down toward the side. Go up and in. Just going to pull this out towards the side of the arm. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Curious George. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.